Are you ready to revolutionize the way you work with AI-powered tools? Today, we're diving into the world of Claude AI, a cutting-edge platform that's taking the tech industry by storm. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through the ins and outs of Claude AI, covering everything from setting up artifacts to creating projects and even writing code. First things first, let's talk about what makes Claude AI so special. This powerful tool is designed to help professionals like you save time and boost productivity by automating tedious tasks and streamlining workflows. With Claude AI, you can generate high-quality content, analyze data, and even build custom applications, all from a single platform. To get started, head over to the Claude AI website and sign up for a free account. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name and email address, but don't worry. This process is quick and painless. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can start exploring the